You'll need 1.5 teaspoons of butter, half a large carrot, and 1 can of condensed milk. Start by dicing your carrots and opening up the can of condensed milk. Next, add the condensed milk along with carrots into a blender and blend it into a homogeneous mix. You can add a little more carrots if you would like, it just depends on how strong you want the carrot taste to be in the final product. This is what the mixture should look like. Then, place a pan over the stove at a medium-low heat. Add in the butter along with your blended mixture. Now stir for about 20 minutes straight. The consistency should get thicker as you go, and it should start to unstick from the bottom of the pan, creating a homogeneous mix. When all the stirring is done, your brigadeiro should look a little like this. Let it cool down to room temperature. While we wait, let's make a sugar coating, which is just a tablespoon of white sugar, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Once the brigadeiro has cooled down, grab butter and spread it on your hands and on a teaspoon. This makes mess-free and unsticky surfaces to work with. With the teaspoon, scoop a small portion of the brigadeiro and start shaping it into a carrot-like form. Next, coat it with the sugar blend previously made. Place it off to the side and repeat the process. This recipe should give you about 18 brigadeiros. Now for decorating, grab a thin utensil such as a knife or toothpick and make lines across your brigadeiro. Lastly, pick a small edible green of your choice and place it on top, and you're done! This is a spring twist on the classic brigadeiro from Brazil. Hope you enjoy!